Hello. If you are looking forward to improving your employee experience, customer experience, and business outcomes, this is the right place. Today, we're going to discuss how systemic team coaching can help you achieve those outcomes. So let's get to it. Many organizations suffer tangible problems that are all linked to bad collaboration. Bad collaboration is costing your company. Your business is not performing as you wish. Your customers are not being as satisfied and engaged with your company as you wish. And your employees are also struggling to have good experience at all levels. Fortunately, we can improve this situation. When you improve the way you collaborate internally and with your stakeholders, you can achieve better results. We can turn around the performance of your business, the experience of your customers, and the experience of your employees by improving how you collaborate. When you collaborate in new ways, you are able to create high value. And today I'm here to discuss one of the methods that we could be using to help you and your team to create high value sustainably. Systemic team coaching is a method that has been proven to produce tangible results. Recognized and endorsed by leading coaching bodies and based on research by Professor Peter Hopkins, systemic team coaching transforms how your team works together and with your stakeholders to sustainably create high value. Just to give you an example of the results that other companies have achieved using systemic team coaching. In a tech company, cross-functional collaboration, customer satisfaction, and time to market improve in a 6-month period of engaging in a systemic team coaching program. In a healthcare provider, employee engagement, patient satisfaction, and resource utilization efficiency improve over a period of 12 months. So what is systemic team coaching? When we say that we practice systemic team coaching, it means that we coach the team within its context. And we don't coach the individuals, but the connections between the individuals in the team and the individuals and their stakeholders. We bring the perspective of the stakeholders to understand what they want and need the team to deliver. And we do that not only focusing on the present, but looking into the future. What does the future need from this team to deliver today? Effectively, when we say that we do systemic team coaching, we focus on coaching the connections of the team with their stakeholders and internally with their present and the future in mind. Because that will enable the team to create what the team can uniquely do because of all of the members working together that the world of tomorrow needs them to start working on today. And who is this team? Well, when we are doing systemic team coaching, we work with the team as a unit. We coach the team together, not in a one-to-one basis. And the team is considered to be a small number of people with complementary skills that have a common purpose, a common set of goals, and a common approach to make things happen. Team members hold each other accountable, have a growth mindset, and they are committed to participate and invest their time in the process of systemic team coaching. Through coaching, we will help the team understand what helps them and hinders them to create the value they have to create. And we will do this focusing on 5 areas. First, we will focus on the why of this team. What is the purpose of this team? Why was this team commissioned by the primary stakeholders? Second, we'll focus on the task. What must this team create to achieve their why, to achieve their purpose? We will go into what are the roles and responsibilities, what are the goals, what are the KPIs and measures of success that the team has to control over time to check that they are making progress towards that purpose. Next, we will also work with the team to understand how they can work together to achieve more as a collective unit than they could if they were working separately. And speaking of collaboration, we will also go into how to effectively the team should connect and engage with their stakeholders to achieve their purpose. And finally, we'll in every step of the way be continuously reflecting to learn at individual and team level, how do we have to adapt to continuously deliver high value? What to expect if you engage in systemic team coaching? Well, each program is customized to the team context. The framework exists and it has certain flexibility to make it work for the circumstances of your team. A typical program will consist of several phases. The first phase is the initial engagement, where we'll have an initial team development agenda and we'll go and do data collection. This data collection will involve getting data from the team and from key stakeholders of the team, which will consist of questionnaires, one-to-one interviews, or a mixture of both. Next, we will move into designing the team development agenda. Based on the data we have collected, the team will develop their agenda in a workshop. Next, we will move into execution and engagement. Based on the development agenda we have defined in the second phase, we'll conduct a series of workshops and also coaching on the job to make sure that the team is making progress towards that agenda. Coaching in the job, what does it mean? Well, we'll coach the team in their business as usual, in their team meetings, in their get-togethers, so that they improve how they collaborate when they are working together, as opposed as just doing it in one-off workshops. And finally, we will review and evaluate the results of the process of team coaching over time. Overall, the team will have to invest approximately 20 hours in a period between 6 and 12 months. So the outcomes you can expect to achieve with your team if you engage in a systemic team coaching program are improve process and performance of the team and increase ability for the team to coach itself effectively. Now, your team will be able to create value sustainably over time because they will have the skills and the ability to adjust how they work together and with your stakeholders over time as the purpose, goals, and KPIs of the team evolve. My name is Amaya Lesta, and I'm the founder of Develop at Work Limited. I have 20 years of experience in technology teams across different countries, 15 of them leading engineering and product teams, and bringing innovation to the workplace. My practice is informed by my own experience and also research that I have conducted in team development as part of my organizational psychology diploma. I'm also trained in systemic team coaching and different facilitating methods. If you want to improve the productivity of your team, as well as customer and employee satisfaction, let's talk.